Now that we've walked through the retailer side of things, let's check out how you, as the creator, set up and manage retail rewards, and how to modify things for your retail partners. Let's take a look at our project. Say I want to create a new reward just for retailers. I'll head into the reward settings, and here you can see all the rewards we've created, including the ones visible to retailers and the ones visible to regular backers. The easiest way to start is to duplicate an existing reward. I'll copy this one. Everything stays the same. The price, the settings, all of it. So how do you turn a regular reward into a retail-only reward? All you need to do is go to the availability settings. In availability, scroll down to restrict visibility to selected user groups. Select the retailers group here, save, and that's it. This specific copy will now only be visible to your retail partners. You'll notice it gets a retail tag, so both you and retailers can easily tell it apart from your standard rewards. Now, I mentioned earlier that you can also configure the minimum order value and the deposit option for retail pledges. Let's go set that up. Head over to Project Settings, then Orders, and you'll find a dedicated retail section. Here you can set a minimum pledge value for retail orders, so retailers can't just check out with a single low-cost item. Let's change this to 1,500 euros. Then, you can enable or disable retail pledge deposits and set the deposit percentage, the portion retailers pay upfront before the rest is due. Let's change it from 10% to, for example, 55.55%. Now, any retailer who wants to pledge will need to pay 55.55% of their order value upfront, and their total order still needs to be at least 1,500 euros if it includes retail items. And that's it. Now you know how to use the B2B Marketplace on both the retailer and creator side. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out, and thanks for watching.